Good day everyone, I'm Algeline Manyaol Pamintuan, a third-year college student taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education at Tarlac State University. So today I will be talk about the two-stroke and four-stroke engines, their difference and where their use. Two-stroke engine finish a power cycle in just two strokes, making them lighter, simpler, and more powerful per cycle. They are commonly used in motorcycle, chainsaw, and small boats because they are more compact and produce a more power for their size. Next is four-stroke engine. On the other hand, complete the power cycle in four-stroke. They are more fuel efficient, durable, and produce less pollution. These are used sa mga sasakyan, mga cars, motorcycles, generators, and other consume fuel and last longer. And in the Philippines, about 98% of operators are using four-stroke engine because they are more efficient, durable, but two-stroke engine are still used in some cases when lightweight and high power are needed. So these are the four-stroke: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. So first we have intake stroke. The piston move downward creating a vacuum in the cylinder. Yung intake valve natin is naka-open, allowing yung air-fuel mixture to enter sa combustion chamber. Yung exhaust valve naman natin is naka-close to prevent gases from the escaping. Ang purpose ng intake stroke is to draw the fresh fuel air mixture for combustion. Ang pangalawang cycle naman tinatawag siyang compression stroke. The piston move upward compressing the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. Both intake and exhaust valve remain lang naka-close to ensure efficient compression, and yung compression increases the temperature and pressure of the mixture and making it move efficiently for combustion. This cycle naman is prepare the air-fuel mixture for ignition. Power stroke. Yung spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture and creation an explosion. Yung force galing sa combustion pushes the piston downwards, producing mechanical power. And both valves is naka-remain closed para hindi or ensure the maximum force is transferred to the piston. This is the stroke that generates the power to drive the engine. The last stroke called exhaust stroke. The piston moves upwards again, pushing the burn gases out through the open exhaust valve. Yung intake valve is naka-remain closed lang to prevent the entry of fresh fuel at this stage. Once the gases are expelled, the exhaust valve closes, and the cycle repeats with the intake stroke. This stroke removes waste gases and preparing for the next cycle. Ang next naman na pag-uusapan natin is yung two-stroke cycle engine. During upstroke in a two-cycle engine, the piston moves upward compressing the air-fuel mixture into combustion chamber. In compression stroke, air of piston moves up, compresses the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. The transfer port and exhaust port remain closed to prevent leakage. After that, we have the intake port opens. Yung upward movement of the piston, nagkikreate siya ng vacuum sa crankcase. This vacuum draws the fresh air fuel mixture through the intake port, preparing for the next cycle. Spark plug ignite naman, nasa top dead center or TDC. Yung spark plug ignites the compressed fuel air mixture, initiating combustion. This explosion will force the piston downwards, starting the power stroke again. During downward cycle, the piston moves downward due to force of the expanding combustion gases. In power stroke or combustion phase, yung spark ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, creating explosion to pinoforce niya yung piston downward. Then exhaust port opens. As the piston moves down, it uncovers the exhaust port, allowing burnt gases to escape. And the transfer port opens. Once the transfer port opens, yung mixture is pushed nasa combustion chamber for the next cycle. Intake port naman is naka-close. Yung intake port natin is remain closed to ensure the proper fuel transfer into chamber without leakage.
The four-stroke engine comprises of the intake stroke. In this stroke, the intake valve is open and exhaust valve is closed, while the piston pulls in air into the cylinder by producing vacuum pressure into the cylinder through its downward motion. The compression stroke. In this stroke, both the intake and exhaust valves are closed, therefore the air is compressed. At the end of this stroke, the pressure and temperature in the chamber is increased, and this also completes a full revolution of the crankshaft. The power stroke. In this stroke, both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. At the beginning of the power stroke, the injector injects the fuel into the combustion chamber. The moment fuel enters the combustion chamber, due to high temperature of compressed air, fuel gets self-ignited, which in turn causes a very rapid combustion of fuel. Exhaust stroke. In this stroke, the exhaust valve is open, while the piston pushes in exhaust gases out of the chamber.